Good evening. This is Eric with Jacksonville Wealth Builders outside of 8466 India. As you can see, they have the exterior wrapped with our moisture barrier. We have our siding up along the side, and we have our brick delivered so that we can be installing our brick fascia. As we move inside, you'll see everything has been framed. Our electrician has come in and ran his wires, done his roughs to run his wires to all of our bedrooms. Same with the AC and plumbing. As you can see, we've already started to get things like our tub in. We will finish installing the windows so that we can have the house dry inspected, so that we can begin installing insulation and then drywall. As you can see, they're getting ready to install the shingles on the roof. Our flashing's all been installed. Get a better view of what our rough bathroom installation looks like. Our rough air conditioner, air handling unit will be installed right there. Move back downstairs. Come out the back door. Next update, should have the house shingled and insulated on the inside, ready for drywall.